What's going on, everyone? I hope you're making the best of this situation that we're all currently in, stuck indoors. Today's video is going to be about color grading, video LUTs and video presets, which is all essentially the exact same thing. The question that I get asked most frequently recently on YouTube and Instagram, Twitter, all the rest of it is, do you use LUTs? Do you have LUTs? When are your LUTs going to be available? Do you have a LUT pack? And the answer to all of those questions is yes. I do have LUTs. I do use LUTs in all of my videos. And for the very first time, my LUTs are now going to be available to purchase. For those of you who don't know what a LUT is, basically a LUT stands for lookup table, and what that is it's just a file that includes a bunch of coding and information that will essentially affect the color and different aspects of an image once applied to it. In other words, it's just a video preset for color and exposure and all that sort of stuff. So today, myself and a group of friends and other creators have decided to launch something called the Creator Effects Bundle or the Creator Effects Pack. And what that is a whole big group of creators, I'm sure you're going to know a lot of them, have combined all of their video assets into one pack. It's going to go on sale today and it's going to be available for 1 week only. And essentially what it's going to include is all of those creators' video LUTs, motion graphics templates, title templates, transition templates, all that sort of stuff for Premiere Pro and Final Cut Pro X. And essentially what we're doing is we're combining all of our creative forces, giving it to you, and we're giving it to you for the price of one. We really wanted to provide value to people in this time of need where people are stuck at home, they're looking for things to do, they're looking to invest in themselves and give themselves some sort of self-education. I know it's something that I get from you a lot, is you want my video LUTs. So I decided to contribute those into this pack. Within the Creator Effects Bundle, I've included 5 of my favorite LUTs that I've created and that I've been using for the last couple of years. I use them every day across all of my videos for different purposes. And they are all included there for you to purchase only for the next 7 days. So if you've ever wanted to color grade like me, give your videos a similar look and feel to some of the things that I've produced and shot and put out there, then this is definitely going to be of interest to you. Alright, so when you download a LUT pack, what you're going to get is a zip file, and once you unzip that file, you're going to get a folder with all of your LUTs within that folder. So if I open up my LUT pack here, you can see I've got a folder and I've got 5 different cube files within that folder, which are all of my different LUTs. So we've got Base Cube, Citrus Blue, Jungle, Rust, and Skin Boost. So they're all of my LUTs within that folder. Now what you're going to want to do is save that folder to a place that you're familiar with, that you're going to be able to come back to and find. For me, I like to save it on my desktop just because it's easy to access. As long as you know where this folder is, you're good to go. Now I've got a clip here that I used in my cinematic film tutorial that I uploaded a couple of weeks ago. As you can see, if I play it through, no look applied, it's very flat. There's not much color to it, and it's just a raw clip in a timeline. So I'm going to show you how I would color grade this using my LUTs, which is exactly how I color graded it in the film. First thing I like to do is create an adjustment layer, drag that adjustment layer over the top of your clip, and then what I'm going to want to do is to go into the Lumetri color tab over here. Let me bring this out a little bit, and if I go down to creative, under look, you can see none. So this is where all your LUTs are. If you've never used a LUT before, if you've got a new LUT that you want to use, go down here and then go into browse and then go to the destination where you saved your LUT pack. So mine's here. Open that up and then select the LUT that you want to use. So for this one here, I'm going to try the Citrus Blue LUT. Open that up, and what it's going to do is affect the whole clip with that LUT. So the reason that I like to work in adjustment layers when applying LUTs is it allows us to then go in and affect the original clip without impacting the LUT that we've just imported. So just looking at this clip straight off the bat, I think I'm going to want to decrease the intensity of the LUT to maybe 50%. If I bring that down to 50% there, you can see that looks a lot nicer already. Before and after, gives it that nice orange teal look. The next thing I'm going to want to do is I'm going to want to go down into my original clip so that we don't affect the LUT that we've applied on the layer above. I'm going to go into curves and I'm just going to bring up the midtones and highlights a little bit, and then drag down those shadows slightly to give it a bit more contrast. And then what I might do is just go into the creative tab, boost the vibrance a little bit, give it a little bit more saturation. So if I toggle between before and after. I've kept the overall look of the LUT, but I've still been able to go under and then adjust the exposure of the image to fit it accordingly. If I play that through now, before and after, you can see the impact that it's had. It's given it that nice sort of orange and teal look. The teal obviously being most present in the shadows and the midtones, and then those warm highlights sort of bursting up through the flames in that fire there, giving it a really nice balance and giving it a much more cinematic look than we had with the raw clip. Hopefully you learned a little bit more about LUTs and how they work today. If you do end up purchasing the Creator Effects bundle, I would love to hear from you. Leave a comment down below. I would love to see some of the clips that you guys edit with these presets. I'm really excited to be sharing it. It's only available for a week. And if you guys like them, I'm sure I'll make some more in the future. So if you did enjoy this video and if you did learn something, be sure to give it a like. If you haven't subscribed already, hit that subscribe button and I will catch you guys in the next video.